function based views. 11th chapter is Django ORM. Django ORM concept. Sir, for example, you know how to write our Python programs because you have written so many Python programs. You are all expert in the Python area. So you know how to write the Python programs. Sir, in the Python program, everything will be treated as a one object because class, object, reference variables, you can declare one function or you have to create everything in Python. Everything will be treated as a one object only. Every object contains some internal addresses, all the things you know. And in Python already, by using Python database connectivities, you are connected to Oracle database, you are connected to MySQL, and you are inserted some data to the database also by using the Python program. Sir, but in case of the database, the data will be available in the form of tables. In the database, the data is available in the form of the tables. So table means you have to provide that some rows and columns are available there. So general in the database, in the starting days, in the year of 2003, 4, 5, in that days, first there is one concept is there in the database, DBMS they are introduced. DBMS means database management system. After that, they have to provided some concept that is after some days they introduced the RDBMS because in database management system there are some problems are there, issues are available there. That's why they have to provide some relation between the database. That concept is called as RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. Nowadays, everyone using one more latest concept is that is ORDBMS. Everything should be treated as a object only. Object Relational Database Management System. Sir, now by using the Python program, one object I have to inject it to the database. But database understandable language is only one language. That language is SQL, Structured Query Language, which is given by the IBM company. Based on this language, every software having their own databases like Oracle have the PLSQL, Microsoft SQL Server having the TSQL. So everyone having their own languages along with this SQL. But database understandable language only SQL only. Now my concept is in the Django, I have to read the data. For example, if I want to table is there, I want to read all the data from the table. What is the commands are select star from table name. Suppose my table is EMP. Then I'm getting all the data which is available to the EMP table. That is the command. Same, if I want to read data from the table in your Django, from the database, whatever data is there, if I want to read the data from the table, what is the command? Django command. The table name is EMP. EMP dot objects dot all. Ante. So there is object relational mapping. ORM is nothing but every SQL query. You have to tell any SQL query. I will write corresponding Django command. You are telling select start from EMP. I'm using EMP dot objects dot all is the Django equivalent command. So I want to record a particular record. Select star from EMP where E number equal to 101. In SQL query, I want to take 101 record. The query is select star from EMP where condition is there. Some employee number equal to 101. Am I getting 101 record or not? Yes. What is the command here? EMP dot objects dot sorry not all get ID equal to 101. Am I getting 101 record or not? Yes. I want to select where employee names started with S letter. So select star from employee where E name like yes. I'm getting all those. So you have to tell any SQL command, the corresponding Django command I have to write. Such a type of commands are nothing but we have to go with ORM Object Relational Mapping. Because in everything in Python is a one object. How to relation to this mapping to the SQL command? Such a type of concept is nothing but Django ORM. Here, nothing. Already data is there. How we are using SQL command? Every SQL command equivalent to Django command is there. Such a type of concept is nothing but our Django ORM. If you know in case of Java, the concept Hibernate, Spring, ORM concepts are there. Same here also. In our Django, ORM meant for object relational mapping, sir. So just now I'm telling to select all employees from the employee table. The equivalent command for SQL command is select star from employee. Whereas in case of Django, that command is nothing but ORM command. The table name dot objects dot all. So every SQL command key we have to write one ORM command. That is nothing but your 11th chapter Django ORM. So create one project, add some records. Then in that records, how to read the data by using ORM commands. So today I uploaded in the Telegram MongoDB installation, theoretical part, whatever basic commands are there, whatever data types, what is the JSON, BSON, ESON, whatever formats. Just now uploaded, you can check it. Tomorrow I will send the queries programs. So now we have to create the project, model, admin, insert some dummy data. Then we have to apply the SQL commands. Please share that Telegram. Please use MongoDB in project. If you want to use MongoDB means first you should have idea about the REST API because Up to now, I am using all our SQL commands, Oracle, MySQL, SQL 3. MongoDB, everything will be dealing with no SQL, document data type. Nothing but JSON data. Present without any idea about JSON. What is JSON data? BSON data, ESON data. We don't have any clarity. REST API completely rotating about JSON formats only. Once you getting clarity about JSON, then you have to implement MongoDB. Telegram ID. How to install MongoDB? If install MongoDB, it will install. Sir, now project and first command prompt. In the Telegram notes I'm given, in that I'm given steps how to install MongoDB. You can check that. Sir, go to the D drive, CD, Django 10th February, Django -admin, start project, ORM project 1. Yo. Not email. Yesterday in the Telegram I forwarded. Check it. Telegram ID. I will give. Sir, ఇక్కడ ఏదో తేడా వచ్చింది. ORM project 1. CD ORM project 1. PY manage.py. Start app. Test app. Created. ఇంక స్టెప్స్ వద్దులేండి రోజు బోరింగ్ స్టెప్స్. Open Atom. This one, close this. This yesterday evening batch program, first project. 10th February, MNO ORM. Go to settings, add the app, test app. Now, give the steps, sir. Sir, here next one, models.py, sir. Only here already I'm telling create project, create app, add application. Whatever steps you can require. So go to the models. Here, class, employee. Inside, module name is models. Class name is model. Employee number equal to models dot integer field. Employee name equal to models dot character field. I have to mention max length equal to ikkada employee salary equal to models dot float field. Inside I have to give max length ఉండదు కదా, sorry. E name equal to models dot e address. Maximum length equal to ఎంత సరిపోవు అనుకుంటా. So this is the model class. After model class, you know, migrations and migrate. Come to the command prompt. Py manage.py. Make migrations. Done. Migrate. Migration done. Go to the admin. Register here. Class employee admin. Inside admin is the module name. The class name is model admin. The variable is list underscore display. Here I have to give first, second, third, fourth. E-address, E-salary, E-name, E-number. Now register this admin dot site dot register employee comma employee admin. Employee is available in test app dot padinda test app dot models import employee katam. This story up to here story you know very familiar. Daily we are doing same thing. I want to add some dummy data to the table. Sir, are you started MongoDB new batch? No, I'm not started any MongoDB. Just daily I will send the notes, just to practice it. Whenever I started, definitely I will inform in the Telegram ID. We are using poplet.py file. That file I can copy paste here because I want to add some dummy data to the table. $21. Okay. Admin.py. Sir, we are going to start teaching MongoDB soon. Yeah, definitely one batch I will deal in upcoming days. Only one batch. More FBV project. Yeah. Sir, populate.py, don't write it. Already we are implemented FBV. Just you also copy from there, paste in the current project. Okay. Completed? No. Ah. So create the super user, sir. Log into admin interface. Py manage.py create super user. Leave blank. email address, any email address, some dummy mail ID, password 123 123. Create. Super user created. Manage.py. Run server. Server is started. Go to the admin panel. Give admin URL. Enter username, password. No records. Now populate kada. FBV. Copy. Come to the. Even here some intelligent people are there. కాపీ చేసి పేస్ట్ చేయడం కూడా రావట్లేదు ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా తెలుసా హౌ టు హియర్ ఐఎమ్ కాపీయింగ్ దిస్ వన్ come to here what it is ORM project. In this just you have to right click paste it. అది కూడా తెలియట్లే కొంతమందికి. Copy paste also. Sir, now open this. Sir, here what changes are there? ORM project 1 kada. Project 1. ఇంకా ఎనీ చేంజెస్ ఆర్ రిక్వైర్డ్. ఎక్కడ ఎంపీసీ నెంబర్, నేమ్, శాలరీ, అడ్రస్, నేమ్, నెంబర్ సరిపోయింది కదా. ఓహో, ఇంపోర్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ అని ఉన్నాయా? టెస్ట్ యాప్ మోడల్స్ ఎంప్లాయీ, ర్యాండమ్, స్టార్, ఫేకర్ మోడల్, ఫేక్ నెంబర్, ఫేక్ నేమ్, ఫేక్ శాలరీ, ఫేక్ అడ్రస్, ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ గెట్ ఆర్ క్రియేట్. సరిపోయింది. నౌ స్టాప్ ద సర్వర్. populate kada. populate.py. Number of employees 50. Successfully added. Run the server. Go to here. Refresh your browser. Very good. All employees aya 50 employees. Fine. Up to now these things also just in the notes I will copy paste it. Don't write this program because you were written already at the time of FPV. Sir, once it is okay, I want to read this and display to the end user. That is also we completed. Take the template, right click, create folder, templates, right click, a folder, test app, inside, right click, file, base.html, go to settings, create a variable with the name of template underscore dir, base dir slash templates, give this template dir into templates dirs. Done. Go to this, open base, write the HTML. Inside, go with getbootstrap.com, go to the releases, go to this, copy the link, paste here. Done. Inside body, I have to define the style. Only this page cover I am using within the page only I am provided. Body I have to give as a background. I have to give red color colon white. Background and spelling mistake unda ledhu kada. Now come to here. I have to define some anchor tags. Color I have to given as a yellow. Now come outside here. You have to write దీన్ని ఎక్కడ రాసి నేను గొప్పవాడిని. Here I have to implemented curling brace, percentage, body కాదు కదా, block, body block, percentage, end of the div the story, base page story. Once base page is ready, I have to take one more page, right click, new file, index, HTML. Here, I have to take HTML, remove all these. Now go with curling brace, percentage, extends. Where is your page? Test app / base.html. Now in the base page, whatever the base page body block is there, take this body block, implement it to index. Inside you have to write H1 tag. I have to implement it employee information dashboard. ఇది రావాలంటే ఏం కావాలి? వ్యూ కావాలిగా. Go to the view, def, retrieve underscore view. The first argument is the request. I have to return render first request comma test app / index.html. I'm not writing anything, only HTML page. Create this one URL here. Then your job is completed. Give empty URL. Go with views dot retrieve view from test app import. The maximum. Server is ready. Copy this. Come to here, paste it. Employee information dashboard came. Now I want to display the employee details. Go to the index page, sir. In this index page, I have to provide that one table is required. Inside, we have to give the border 3 pixel. I can provide that. Table head, first table head TH, employee number, second one name. Wow. Employee name, sir. Third one employee salary. Fourth one address. Now, how to get the employee addresses? Where you can read this in CBV, directly how what we can call default context objects are available there, but here no. In the views, am I sending anything? Nothing. How to read the data? Table name dot objects dot all. This one emp underscore list. Any variable you can use, that is your wish. That employee is not there. From test app nodals import employee. Sarvenda, return this one, comma, curling brace, colon, emp list. The key also I am given emp list. Now from this list you have to read the data. Go to your index, curling brace, inside percentage. For each employee in emp underscore list. From this I am reading the data. You have to go with the table row, first TD, curling brace. emp is the reference variable which is pointing to your object, employee number. Here, take all values. 2, 3, 4. Second, employee name. Third, employee salary. Fourth, employee address. All are done. Table row completed. For ఇక్కడ opened. Close the for. Percentage. End for. అయిపోయిందా ఇంకా క్లోజ్ చేయాలా? ఇంకేం లేదు కదా? Nothing. Come this. Refresh. Table came. All employees came. Sir, now it is the story. Okay, once the data is inserted, sir, you have to take index.html file, display the data. Now we will see one by one queries, ORM commands equivalent to SQL queries. Paste the base page HTML also. Okay. If I paste it, then we can paste in your program. Base. Learn this notes sake I'm given. Don't write base page. Main logics you can write index. EMP underscore list where, sir? This EMP list is coming from views.py. EMP underscore list is coming from the views.py. Once I'm reading all the employees stored into EMP list, I forwarded from views. Base.html. Sir, once it is done, next one, the TMP list is coming from this one. I'm passing as a dictionary argument to the HTML page. So this is the EMP list. Key, value, what it is, all employees. Sir, anyone tell what is the type of all function? Every function having return type is there. Employee is the model name. Asl, what is that objects? Objects. Class. All is the function. Sorry, what is the return type of this all method? Return type. Return type of all function. It will read all records, sir. Tuple. List. Dict. చెప్పండి ఉన్నాయన్నీ. Very good. Frozen set. They're simple. You need to go to the views. You can ask the type. Python will tell what is the type. You don't worry about all these things. Okay. Type of EMP list. Python will take care everything. Simple. When it is getting means just you have to submit the request. Request submitted. Go to the what is the type? Query set. The type of all is query set. Path. Empty path. I have to give in views dot retrieve view. And now to select the all records, we are using the sir, I will tell this story. Here some story is there. As what is this objects? Every day we are using object that all means all records get mean one record. What is that objects means internally? One model manager is there that is pointing to this one. The 13th chapter, 12th chapter, advanced models are there. In that I will tell. Based HTML not required, man. The return type of all method is query set. The up to now story. So if you want in the views, you can ask type of EMP underscore list. You will get this one. Django dot db dot models dot query. Query set is the class. So the return type is query set. So to get a particular record, we have to use which method? Get method. I want to get a particular record, then we go with get method. So where can I use this get method means? Observe here. Go to the Django shell you have to open. How to open shell? py shell you can use. Shell will be open. Open the new command prompt. You don't close that one. In that command prompt, server is running. Leave it. Open new command prompt. Here, go to the current working directory. Go to the current project. CD. Our project name is ORM project 1. Py manage.py. Go with shell 2 only. Shell is opened. So I want to get a single record. How to get the single record? What is the command can I use here? I want to get a single record of the employee fetch one. It is not Python. Lisa Buns. Okay. Sir, now go to here shell. I want to read one object means employee name dot objects dot get is the command. But first you have to import that one from test app dot models import. What is the model name, sir? Employee. Error. ఎక్కడో కొట్టింది డబ్బా. ఎక్కడున్నాడు మనోడు? అక్కడ ఉన్నాడు. Employee. Sir, now employee dot objects dot, sir, what is the command? Get of id equal to 1 stored into some variable. What it is? EMP. Now I am getting one EMP. What is the type of EMP? Type of EMP list. Employee is a one object. So all return type is the query set. So get is return type is one object it is reading. What is the object number? EMP dot e number 7598. Go to there. 7598. What is the name of the employee? Simple object name. E name you can ask. Lisa. The name is EMP dot e salary. Salary is 11,120. So am I getting all values or not? So number, name, everything can access. By using get method, you have to go to the every record. Now you need to go with the type of EMP. The type of EMP is test app models, employee class, EMP is the one object available there. Sir, whenever I am executing this one, which one? Employee dot objects all, the query will be executed corresponding SQL query. What is internal SQL query? For example, here I am executing Django query. Employee in the SQL, we have to compulsory use select command only. So whenever executed this ORM command, what is the equivalent command for SQL? Select star from employee. That is Oracle SQL direct employee table is the command. But here our table name is, what is the table name? Is it direct employee? No. So I want to see that query, that is, for example, you can use it. What is that? Employee dot objects dot all stored into variable. What is the type? Query set. What is the query available there? QS dot. You can ask a query because internally, once I'm executed Django command, what is the internal command of value? QS dot query. What it is getting? Read that carefully. What it is? Somewhere else you can create a class, you can create an object. I am print of E1. What it is coming? Object reference only. Same also. Here I am getting Django library, DB models SQL query. This is the class. The object available in this address. I don't want object address. I want that query. What to do? I don't want address. I can require that query. In Python, you are using, for example, in Python, the class employee is there. Suppose def underscore underscore init constructor is there. Self. I have to initialize self dot employee number equal to 101. I created object e equal to employee. I have to print e. What I'm getting? Am I getting address or not? Address, not 101. But instead of that address, I want to get 101. You have to use strrepr is there. So here, instead of address, I want readable format. What is the command? str. Inside str qs dot, you can pass a query. The instead of object address, it will printed readable format. Now you can check your query. This your query. Select test app employee ID, test app employee dot employee number, employee name, employee salary, employed. From where? Test app employee. So even though you are using user, we commands. So next one, how to find a query associated with query set. How to find query associated with query set. ఏడా క్యాండిడేట్ ఏడి చచ్చిపోతున్నా నరసింహో 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 అనుకుంటూ వచ్చి పక్కన కూర్చో. How to find query associated with query set. Every ORM statement will be converted into SQL query. Every ORM statement will be converted into SQL query. We can find that query from the query set. How it is, this is the command. QS this. After that, don't print QS, directly you can ask str of query. Then this is the query set associated by your query. అక్కడ అయిపోయింది ఆ బ్యాచ్. ఇప్పుడు ఈ బ్యాచ్ కి So now, how to filter the records based on some conditions. ఎక్కడ based on some condition. How? So I want to return the first question. Return all employees whose salaries greater than 15,000. Only those employees I want to. What to do? What is the query? So here, for every question, SQL command is there. Instead of SQL command, we have to write our Django ORM command. First of all, I want to add one salary exactly 15,000. 101 Sunny 15,000, and I don't want this one. I'm asking above 15,000 salaries. Save. So my query is above 15,000 records I can require. What is the query? Employee.objects.get to ID equal to GT less than 15,000. Enter this that meaning. Sorry, 1 minute. అక్కడ రాద్దాం ఇక్కడ రాద్దాం tell employee dot objects dot get అంటే 1 15,000 above, so many are there. All means all will come. I can go with filter. What is the condition? Esal underscore esal underscore GT equal to 15,000. What it will return? Am I getting greater than 15,000 or greater than or equal to 15,000? Now I'm commenting this one, sir. I'm not sending all. Now I'm EMP underscore list. What I'm getting? Only greater than. Check this. Refresh this. 15,000. All came. Sorry, ikkada kaadu. Ikkada you have to check. Now filterization will be done. Is there any Sunny is there? No. Above 15,000. Because చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు above 15 condition మారుద్దాం. 18,000. Less people will be there. Refresh. 18,000 above salaries will be displayed. Suppose I have one more employee is there. Exact 18,000 salary. 102. Salary 18,000. Address Hyderabad. Once I refresh, am I getting Katrina record? No. Only greater than. I want greater than or equal to. Then we go with GTE. Then greater than or equal to 18,000. Now this time Katrina also available there. If I want to go to the same, I go with LT and LT. Same story. LT. 18 కన్నా ఎక్కువ మంది ఉన్నారు. 15 ఇవ్వండి. Refresh. Less than 15,000, these many people are there. Sunny is not coming because Sunny 1,000 is 15,000. I go with LTE, sir. Now you can get Sunny also 15,000. So GT, GTE, LTE comments are there. That is the first one. The question queries I will write. You have to execute in your machines. GTE. Similarly, we can use small l. What is the idea of Sunny? 51. Okay. I want to equal to. What equal to? It is double underscore. I want to get a particular record. Then see this, comment it. Here, what is the command can I use? Objects dot get ID equal to 51. Now come to here, refresh. Okay, because of demo I am getting single record. In that I am using a for loop, not single quotes. The problem is here you have to take emp equal to employee dot objects dot get of ID equal to 51. emp dot ename you can ask emp dot ename. What is the employee name? Sunny. emp dot salary. What is the salary? 15,000. Same like that. Another command is there. I go with ID underscore underscore exact equal to 51. Both are same. emp dot enumber 101. So you have to use this command to get a particular record, or else you can go with e exact. Both are same. No. If single object means we have to change the HTML code. Possible in HTML you can change the code. That is the mistake. Next I will show aggregate function. Then I will change HTML pages. You will get clarity. Aggregate functions will return only one value. There are 51 employees are there. I want to identify all sum of salaries displayed to the HTML. HTML code I want to change. That is the mistake, not command mistake. Command correct only. Sir, second one contains. It is just like in your SQL command, select something star from employee, where ename like contains means in middle, starting any characters are there. In middle, I have to go with this is the SQL query we have to write. Select star from employee, where ename like percentage John percentage. So entire name wherever John is there, it will be displayed. Manaki, whatever names are there. John ఉందిగా ఉందిలే. So I want to go with here emp underscore list employee dot objects dot filter. What is the function? Ename. In the ename, I am applying underscore underscore contains equal to John. I am given. Come to here. Java HN. Manavichan. Oh, Java HN. Sir, లేకపోతే empty will be displayed, no problem. ఇంకోండి జాన్లు 2 3 4 జాన్లు ఉన్నారు 1 2 wherever John is there it will be displayed. That is the meaning of contains. So ఇది SQL command. This is the django command. You know Python in operator. What is the meaning of in operator? You know a particular record available, not available. Same thing here also. In SQL, select all employees where the IDs in 1 3 5 7 ID. మన ఐడి ఎంత 51 1 3 5 51 records I can required. So go to here, comment it, because this finally this view I will post in the classroom notes. Here I want to provide what I want to give ID underscore underscore in equal to a list or tuple, anything you can use 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 51. Tarvinda dot object filter ID in. If it is correct, it will be displayed. ఇదిగోండి 51 అన్ని. ఫస్ట్ లీసా 3లో లీసా 3 జాకబ్ 5 మోనికా. సో లీసా మోనికా జాకబ్ సన్నీ. This is the command. Fourth one. You already explained చేసా, not required. Greater than. Fifth one, greater than or equal to. Sixth one, LT less than. Seventh one, LTE less than or equal to. Starting we executed these 4. In Python, there is one function is there, starts with in regular expression. Same here also. I want to display employees whose name starts with some D letter kani, S letter kani, M, J, M, so many are there. Okay, M kani, J kani, S kani. I want to identify. Then eighth function is starts with. Just now I'm telling now starting GT means greater than. First example underscore underscore GT, GTE, LT, LTE. Those are starting I'm given na GT, GT, LT, LTE. Greater than or equal to less than or equal to avi Underscores mandatory. Field name 2 underscores mandatory. Sir, చూడండి ఇక్కడ starts with లో here observe carefully. I'm given e name underscore starts strts starts with equal to yes I am given, sir. Come to here, come this, refresh. Am I getting all values or not? Okay, perfect. Now see, the problem is I have one more record is there, 103. Sunny Leone, salary 12,000, address, save this. And I have to address one more, 104. Now salary is 14,000, address is Amalapuram. Now employees are there. If I refresh this, am I getting that Sunny Leone and Santa Kumari came? No. No, na. Came, not came. Came. So, not came. Already executed. Now came out. Starts with select employees where e-name starts with S letter. ఎవరు సార్ శాంతా కుమారి? మా పిన్ని. వీళ్ళకి సబ్జెక్ట్ డౌట్లు కాదు, పేరు రాస్తే రాధిక ఎవరు, భార్గవి ఎవరు, శాంతా కుమారి ఎవరు? సార్ సేమ్ ఇది ఇంకా ends with end with character it is checking. Same copy paste. End with s ఇస్తే s తో ఎండ్ నేమ్స్ అని ఉన్నాయా చూద్దాం. ఉంటే వస్తాయి, లేకపోతే రాదు. ends with yes. Come here, refresh. చాలా ఉన్నాయి. లీసా కేమ్, కొల్లిన్స్, స్టోక్స్, థామస్, ఇన్ బర్న్స్, చాలా ఉన్నారు. Be like a butterfly, petty to see, hard to catch. Sir, ఇక్కడ one more function is there. 1 minute. How it is working? 1 minute. Come to here. పెద్ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఏం రావట్లేదే. యాక్చువల్గా అయితే ఇన్ ఓల్డ్ వర్షన్స్ లో starts with capital S means it should be displayed only starting with capital letters. I starts means Ignore casing. Any letter it is coming. But ikkada I starts it is coming. All smalls, capitals it is coming. No change. అంటే తీసేసినట్టున్నాడు I starts. I అది కూడా సేమ్ అంతే. I exact. I starts with. I ends with. I contains is also there. Present I workout at latest at old versions it is working. Before 2. That is the different story. Sajid, whatever telling lower function means if any uppercase is reading, I can convert to lowercase, I can compare. Range function. Poinda. Range 1. Ends. So I want to select employees 13,000 to 15,000 employees salaries I want to do. 13 to 15,000. Then comment it. Salary. Underscore what is the function? Range equal to 13,000 to 15,000. Sunny salary 15,000. Am I getting Sunny or not? Save, run. 13 to 15,000, whatever salaries are there, it is considered. Select all employees where salary in the range of 13,000 to 10,000. Sir, ikkada e name start with yes to ఏ ఉన్నాయి ఇందాక? One minute. E name starts with yes. Refresh. చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు. 18, 14, 11, 10, 18, 15, 12, 14. So now my query is tell this one. Select all employees where e name starts with yes letter. Just now I explained the command. Employees dot objects dot filter e name underscore starts with S. I have to add one more condition. Or the employees who is having salary less than 12,000 also. Starts with S kavali. I want to go with starts with 12,000. Who are employees having 12,000 salaries? Suppose 12,000 ఏంటి ఎవరు లేరా? 14, 12, 18, 15, 15, 16, 18, 16, 12. ఇదిగోండి ఉన్నాడు. So one person is there, 12,000 less than salary, and 11,500 is also there. Sandra anta. Sorry, that is my requirement. Tell the query. Starts with okay. Sir, I have to provided here. సరే ఇదిగో ఇది ఫస్ట్ క్వెరీ. ఇదిగో ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చింది ఆల్రెడీ. ఇన్సైడ్ కెన్ గివ్. ఓకే, ఆర్ సింబల్ మనకు కావాల్సిన ఏంటి, శాలరీ లెస్ దాన్ కదా. సో దిస్ వన్ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్ ఐ కెన్ గివ్ లైక్ దిస్ లెస్ దాన్ ఎంత అడిగాను, 12 కదా. ఈ స్టార్ట్స్ విత్ ఎస్ ఆర్ ఈ సెల్ లెస్ దాన్ 12. కెన్ ఐ రన్ ఇట్? కేమ్ అదేం తీసుకుంది తెలుసా, ఓన్లీ ఎస్ లెటర్స్ less than 12,000 or all S will be displayed. నాకు S లేని values also there. That is also my requirement is not with S, not with salary. All S you can display, or who is less than 12,000 I can require. But here what it is telling, 10,385, it should start with S, then it is displaying. That is the query, your query meaning. Very correct only. The meaning is it is checking 12,000 less than, but compulsory it should be yes. But it is coming this now. So here what I was doing is, sir, the query is how to use this. Simple. Separate the two conditions. This is the first condition. So employee objects filtering who are gave with the starts with. After that, what is the query? This is the query. You have to outside bitwise R operator give this. Now less than or equal to 12,000. Save this. Server is okay. Come to the browser. Refresh. Adi query we have to write it. Now to accept S idigondi. Anita 11,020. Lisa 11,120. So it is looking either yes and less than 12,000. Two conditions we have to do this. This is the first way. Another way also I will show how to write it. Means emp underscore list equal to query set 1, this pipe symbol, query set 2. So for this I'm using this one, query set 1 except bitwise R symbol 2. This is the way. What is the second way? Second way is also there. నువ్వు ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ కూడా కరెక్టే, బట్ that small changes are there in your query. You are telling e name underscore starts with yes, pipe symbol, immediately you are asking e cell underscore lt equal to 12,000. Within the single employee objects you are using valid, but we have to add something in that one. You have to add the condition q. Ante how to write your query means filter function inside. You are asking first condition, condition 1. Directly previously you are doing, you are applying condition 1. Pipe symbol you are using, and you are doing condition 2. This is very just now you are telling. Yes or no? Before that you have to give the q condition. Then it is checking first condition or second condition. This is also valid one. But where this q is available? It is a one class available in django.db. For example, no such column test type employee.e-address. I am getting this error. No such column test type underscore employee.address. Or in your table, whatever columns are there, I don't know now. Check the models carefully. Sir, ఇప్పుడు ఇదే క్వెరీని ఈ స్టైల్లో హౌ టు రైట్ ఇట్, అబ్జర్వ్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ, డోంట్ రైట్. ఫిల్టర్ ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ క్యూ, క్యూ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ వన్, ఈ నేమ్ underscore starts with S, pipe symbol. Next, delete, 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 delete. Q of E shall underscore less than 1, 2 parentheses, 1, 2 parentheses. Close this. No. Copy and go to here, comment it, come to here, paste it. Save, go to the server. Now, I didn't save the saved. Once you can refresh, error is there. Q is not defined. What is the Q? Import. Where it is available? From the Django dot db dot models import Q is the class. Save this and go to here, browser, refresh. Raledu because of server leather problem. I selected. Don't select anything in the server. Now refresh. Am I getting values or not? Yes. Inga kavali ante we have to change understandable purpose. 11,000 or starts with the D letter. With the D, any names are there, it will be displayed. Yeah. Jacob, because of less than 11,000. Daniel, that is the way, sir. So compulsory, how to import, must and should. This is the way, two ways. R queries. So under queries, tomorrow I will tell under queries, aggregate functions, combine multiple queries. Query set 1, query set 2. Second way, filter off, queue off. That is the some story about ORM. Okay, guys, bye everyone. Tomorrow we will continue the session.
Recording stopped.
The models, advanced models are there. Na? In that time, I will tell them. One place. I took what the genre somewhere. But I wanted to put that in other primary key, foreign key, sir. Wherever primary key is there, in the other table you have to make it